With cold winter days ahead, now is the time to prepare your vehicles for snow, ice, and more. There are two aspects to getting your cars and trucks ready for winter: the mechanics and your supplies.
First, some things to check for maintenance and replacements mechanically on your vehicle include vehicle batteries, tire tread and pressure, internal heating systems, windshield wipers, fluid levels like oil, coolant, power steering, brake, and windshield washer fluids. And once extreme cold arrives, check your fuel level ahead of the event. It's also recommended to run a vehicle diagnostics test. Second, it's important to have an emergency kit for survival in your vehicle. This kit should include things like blankets, an extra pair of winter shoes, non-perishable food, water bottles, flares, power banks to charge your phone, medical supplies, jumper cables, a hand crank weather radio, paper maps, an empty gas can, and matches or lighters. Ice scrapers and kitty litter or sand are a few other things to add. If your tires get stuck in the snow, the kitty litter or sand can be used to add traction. If you get stranded in winter weather in your vehicle, this kit will help you survive until help arrives or until you're able to continue on the roads. While these tips will help you prepare for cold winter days, it's also a good idea to check in with the forecast often, stay on top of road conditions, and talk with your family about individual winter weather plans. With the Arkansas Storm Team, I'm meteorologist Jenna Warner.